Hey, my name is McKinley. You spoke to Emily yesterday. I just wanted to get this short video over to you showing you how you can outrank your competition online and get more leads and more customers. So starting out, you have a nice site. I like this image header you have across the top. It's got a cool filter on it, which gives your site a super nice vibe. But scrolling down, I can see you don't have a whole lot of content. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage. They actually read all the words on your site, and that's how they determine what topics you're relevant to and therefore what to rank you for. You can get your keywords in there as well, and keywords are just the phrases that people are typing into the Google search bar most frequently. I wanted to show you this right here. This is called the Google Map Pack, or GMB. It's the first thing anyone sees when they search for something online. Almost no one ever clicks on View All, so it's super important to be in this top 3 right here, and you can do that by having more good reviews than any of your competition and more citations than them as well. Based on this guy having so many more good reviews than this guy, I would guess that citations are playing a huge factor for them. And citations are just anytime your business's name, address, and phone number are listed on the web. So I plugged your site into a tool I use called Ahrefs. It gives me a better idea of the back end of your site. You can see right here, you currently don't have any pages referring back to you or any backlinks linking to you that are registering on here at least. A backlink is anytime there's a link on another site, and when people click on it, it takes them to your site. You do want to have as many as possible. However, not all backlinks are created equal, and it's really important to have high quality ones that are viewed as trusted by Google so that they'll view you as trustworthy. And if you're considered relevant to what you do through your content and your keywords, and then considered trustworthy in addition to that, Google's going to think that you bring value to the people that are looking for what you do. And if they think you're valuable, they're going to want to put you in front of as many people as possible. And that's the goal. So currently you can see you are only getting about 2 clicks of traffic to your site every month, and you're ranked in the top 100 pages of Google for 4 keywords. So if we take a look at those, you are in the first page for this one, which gets 20 searches a month, and that's bringing you some traffic. But what we would want to do is focus on getting you in the first position for some of the really high volume keywords and the rest of the relevant ones as well, but definitely the higher volume ones, because if you're in the first position, you're getting about 1/3 of this volume as traffic to your site. Let me show you what that would look like. So from the best of what I could tell, you guys are located in New Orleans, so I chose a New Orleans competitor to show you. But these tips will work no matter where you're located, so we can just redo the research if needed. And I'm so sorry if I got the location wrong. But scrolling down, you can see that he does have quite a bit of content. He has about 700, 800 words. And that is, helping push him to the top, but it's not in that optimal 1,500 to 2,000. So if you were to get that 1,500 and put some keywords in there, it would definitely blow him out of the water content-wise, which would be one of the easiest first steps to take to outrank him. I plugged him into the same tool as well, and you can see right here he has 29 pages referring back to him and 263 backlinks overall, which is another thing that's helping really push him to the top. But backlinks, what we would want to do is just go into his and find the higher quality ones and then replicate those for you, in addition to finding even more high quality ones that he doesn't have. So you can see he's in the top 100 pages of Google for 225 keywords. And if we look at those, he is in the first position for some of these, that allows me to show you that he's getting 12 clicks of traffic for this 30 searches a month keyword, and 11 clicks for this 30, and 11 for this 30 as well. And they are all different words that Google treats differently and ranks differently for. But he is getting just over 1/3 of the total volume as traffic. So he's not even in the first position for these higher volume ones, which is great because that makes it easier to outrank him for those. But even being in the first position just for those lower volume and the second position for those higher ones, he's still getting 164 clicks of organic traffic to his site every single month. So if we were to outrank him, not only for those lower volume, but for the higher volume as well, and get 1/3 of that volume as traffic, what would that do for you and your business? So on that note, I will leave you. Once again, my name is McKinley. This is my phone number and my email. Feel free to contact me at any time, and I will be in touch with you as well. Thank you. Have a good day.